Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are well. Now, in the last session, what we have done, we have completed our exercise number 1.4. Now, today I am going to explain the exercise number 1.5. Exercise 1.5 is all about the Indian and international system of numeration. So, before solving the exercise, let us revise the concepts that are needed. Have a look.
Okay, let's start by revising the concepts that are needed for solving the exercise number 1.5. The exercise number 1.5 is about the Indian and international system of numeration. As you know that we follow the Indian system of numeration and use the Indian place value chart, but most countries outside the India use the international system of numeration. Now take a look at this chart. Here I have made both the Indian and international system of numeration. If you look at the Indian system of numeration, it consists of the periods names as ones, thousands, lakhs and crores, having the sub-periods as ones, tens, hundred, thousand, ten thousands, lakh, 10 lakh, crores and 10 crores. However, if we talk about the international system of numeration, it consists of three periods, that is ones, thousands and millions, and have sub-periods each having three sub-periods like ones, tens, hundred in ones, thousand, 10,000, 100,000 in thousands, and million, 10 million and 100 millions in million periods. So, this is the basic difference between the Indian and international system of numeration. Now, take a look at the difference between the Indian and international system of numeration with the help of an example. Now, here we have taken the example as 56877709. I have written this number in both the Indian place value chart and an international place value chart. If we go through the Indian place value chart, we can read the number as 56,87,709. However, if we read it in the international place value chart, it can be read as 5,687,799. Now from the above chart, we observe the following point. If we talk about the Indian place value chart, its first period is of ones period having 3 digits, second period is of thousand periods having 2 digits, whereas the third period is of lakhs period having 2 digits. However, if we talk about the international place value charts, its first period is the ones period having 3 digits, second period is a thousand periods which is same as that of Indian chart, but the digits here is 3. And if you talk about the third period, it is known as the millions period, and again it has the number of digit that is equals to 3. So we can also say that in international system we can write the 1 lakh as 100,000 and 10 lakh as 1 million. And one thing you just keep in mind that while reading a numeral, all the digits in the same period are read together and name of the period except the ones is read together. Likewise, in the given example, we have read the digits as 56,87,709. So, this is the concept that is needed for solving the exercise 1.5. I think we are ready to go through the exercise and let's solve the questions together one by one. So, the first question here is rewrite the numbers in Indian place value chart and also in words. So, what you have to do? You just have to write the given number in Indian place value chart and also in words. So, first of all, let us make an Indian place value chart for this. As I have told you, Indian place value chart comprises of three periods, that is of ones, thousands and lakh, and having the sub periods naming as ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Now what we have to do? We have to write this number in this chart. So whenever we need to write the number, we always start from the ones place. Now on the ones place here is 7. So what we do? We will just put the 7 here in the ones place and write it here. Okay, moving on to our next number is 4. Now we have to put this 4 into the next digit, that is tens place, and we'll write the 4 here. Moving on to our next, that is 0 over here, we just write 0 in our hundred place and write 0 like this. The next digit is 5, and here starts the next period, that is the thousands period. So we just need to put the 5 in the thousands period and place is 1000. So we just write 5 here in the 1000 place. The next digit is 2. Again we will just write the 2 into the 10,000 place, and the last digit is 3. So 3 will be written here in the lakhs place. So the number we have written here is 3,25,400 47. Now what we have to do, we have to write this in words also. So for writing this word, first of all let us write in the numbers by separating the comma. A comma is placed after the completion of a period. As soon as a period is complete, it will indicate to put a comma here like this. So 3,25,047. So how can we read this? We can read this now. 3 is in lakhs period, so we'll read it as 3 lakh. Then 25 is in thousands period, so we'll read it as 25,000. And since 100 period has 0, so we'll not count 100, and 47 will be read as 47. So we can write the number as 3,25,047. So in this way you can write the given number. Now moving on to the second part. Second part is 447,896. So let us quickly make a place value chart having the periods as ones, thousands, lakhs, and sub period as ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, and 10 lakhs. Starting from the ones place, just put the 6 on the ones place, that is here. Next number is 9, that is in the tens place. Next is 8, that is in the hundred place. Next is 7, that is in the thousand place. Next is 4, that is in the 10,000 place. Next is 4, that is in the lakhs place. So the number can be written as 4, 47, 896. So how can we read the number? 4 lakh 47,896. So it can be written as 4,47,896. So in this way you can do these two questions. These two questions are meant for your homework. The digits in the questions are 752368 and 1478965. Now what you have to do, you just have to make a place value chart like this, divide it into the periods and write it in the words also. Okay, so this completes our question number 1. Moving on to our next question. The next question here is question number 2. Question number 2 states that rewrite the numbers in international place value chart and also in words. Now what we have to do, we have to rewrite the numbers in international place value chart. Now let us make an international place value chart for the first number. The first digit here are 652104. Now for making an international place value chart, what we need? We need a ones period, 1000 periods and a millions period. In Indian place value chart there is the lakhs period, but in international place value chart there is the millions period. So ones period is comprises of ones, tens and hundred. 1000 period comprises of 1000, 10,000, 100,000, and million period comprises of million. So let's start putting the digits into the place value chart. It will be put in the similar way like that of Indian chart. We will always start from the ones place. Now on ones place there is 4, so we just write 4 in the ones period. Moving on to the next digit, that is 0. We'll write 0 in the tens period. Then the next is 1, write 1 into the 100 period. Next is 2, write 2 into the 1000 periods. Next is 5, write 5 into the 10,000 period, and the last is 6. So we'll write 6 into the 100,000 period. So how can we write the number? We can write it as 652. Since the period is closed, we just put a comma over here, comma 104. And how we will read the digit together? 652,000. 652,104. Okay, so whole period should be read together and whole period should be read together. So 652,154. Moving on to our next question. Next question is 412589. Now let us make an international place value chart. Again, ones, thousands, million, ones, tens, hundred, 1000, 10,000, 100,000 and million. And we'll put the digit as 9 is on ones place. So start from 9 here. Then again next digit is 8 in the tens place, 5 in the 100 place, 2 in the thousands place, 1 in the 10,000 place and 4 in the 100,000 place. So how can we write the digit? It can be written as 412, comma, since period is closed, comma 589. So 412589. And how will we read it? 412,000, 412,000, 412,000, 589. So we can read it as 412,589. Okay, now the part C, and part D are meant for your homework. The digits in part C are 602583 and 963258. So you just do these questions similarly like this in your homework. Moving on to our next question. The next question is question number 3. Question number 3 states that draw the Indian and international place value chart and write each of the following numbers in both the charts. Now what we have to do? We have to make two charts, that is Indian and international chart for the given number. So let's start with the first part. The first part has the digits 684012. So let us make an Indian place value chart. An Indian place value chart, as you know, has three periods naming ones, thousands, lakh, and ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakhs and 10 lakhs. So we will put the digits. 2 is on the ones place, 1 is on the tens place, 0 is on the hundred place, 4 is on the thousand place, 8 is on the 10,000 place, and 6 is on the lakhs place. So how can we read this digit as? It can be read as 6,84,012. Okay, and if we talk about the international place value chart, we can write here as ones, thousands, millions, having the periods ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, and we'll start putting the digits starting from 2, and 2 will be put on the ones place, then 1 on the tens place, 0 on the hundred place, 4 on the thousands place, 8 on the 10,000 place, and 6 on the 100,000 place. So in this way you can make the two charts. And how can we read it into the international place value chart? It can be read as 684,012. Okay, so you can make the charts of Indian and international system in this way. Moving on to our next question. Our next question is 2184589. So how can we make a chart? We can make a Indian place value chart like this: ones, thousands, lakhs, having the subperiods ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. So let's start putting the digits one by one. 9 is on the ones place, 8 is on the tens place, 5 is on the hundred place, 4 is on the thousands place, 8 is on the 10,000 place, 1 is on the lakhs place, and 2 is on the 10 lakhs place. So how can we read it as 21 lakhs 84,589. Okay, and if we talk about the international place value chart, we can say that it has the periods as ones, thousands, million, having the subperiods ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, and million. And the digits can be put as 9 on the ones place, 8 on the tens place, 5 on the hundred place, again 4 is on the thousand place, 8 is on the 10,000 place, 1 is on the 100,000 place, and 2 is on the millions place. So we can read it as 2,184,589. So in this way you can do the part C and part D, which are meant for your homework. The question in the part C are 5307634, and in part D are 7184965. So what you have to do, you just have to make the charts as of Indian and international. Likewise I have done this. Okay, so I think the question is clear to you. Let's move on to our next question. Our next question is question number 4. The question number 4 says that using the international place value chart, write the numeral for each of the following names, separating the periods with commas. So what we have to do, we just have to make an international place value chart and have to write the digits for the given number. A part is 204,601. So let us make an international place value chart. It should be made like this: ones, thousands, millions, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, and million. So let's start filling the digits. First is 204,000. So write 204 in thousands column because thousand is there. So it indicates that we have to put the digit into the thousands period. So it can be written as 204, 601 and 1. So it should be placed in the ones place like 601. So in this way we can fill the digits into the international place value chart. Now what we have to do, we have to write the numeral for this. So first of all, note down 204, and as soon as the period is closed, so you just put a comma over here and write 601. So our numeral is 204, 601. Okay, so in this way you can write the given digit into the international place value chart. The part B and part C are meant for your homework. The part B has the name 1,204,601, whereas C has the numeral as 7,407. So what you have to do, you have to make a international place value chart. Again, mark the periods, write the numerals from the period similarly, and put a comma as soon as a period is ending. Okay, so do the part B and part C in your homework. So this completes our exercise number 1.5. So do the homework, practice regularly, and if you have any query, you are free to ask on our school email ID. Our school email ID is vbbshakarpuronlineclasses@gmail.com. Okay, so you just go there, write your name, class, subject, and send your homework here. Okay, so this is all for today. I hope you have understood the concept well. Now practice regularly. Okay, now see you in the next session with the next exercise. Bye.